Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Then again 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Now 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. Okay, this answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is M means exponents, third priority is M means multiplication and D means division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. And last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is this multiplication. Okay. According to the rule, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So 2 plus 0 multiply 4 is equal to 0 minus 0. Okay. Now addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 minus 0. Now 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Therefore the correct answer is 2. Okay. If you like this question, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.